In this meditation, we're going to practice mindfulness of the breath and relaxation. This will lower your stress level, it will lower your cortisol level, so you can feel calm now, but also get lasting calmness. So to begin, I would like for you to simply be aware of the breath. Turn your mind's focus to the parts of your body that move when you breathe. You can keep your eyes open or closed, but your mental attention will be on your belly and your chest, simply observing the in and out breath movement as you breathe naturally. You may have an urge to do the breath actively, to change its quality, to make it deep, slow, or even, but just let go of that. We're going to observe the breath the same way we would observe waves coming in and out of a beach while standing at the edge of the ocean. Simply watch the breath as it's coming in and out of your body. Notice the movement of your belly and chest. You might also notice sensations in other parts of your body or your heartbeat. This can happen when we turn our attention inward and we watch the breath. If you feel tension arise, notice that, let go of it, and take another relaxed in-breath. You might notice gravity gently holding you in your chair or on the bed or the couch, wherever you're sitting or lying. If you're standing, you might notice the sensation of gravity holding your feet against the floor. You might notice other sounds in your environment, but just come back to the breath. Watch the breath coming in and going out as your body gently moves with each in-breath and out-breath. If awkwardness, impatience, or boredom arises, just notice that. It's part of what happens when we pay attention. It's not failure. It's part of how we notice that we're actually relaxing. Relaxed attention on the body gives us a new awareness of the body. It also gives us a new level of calmness. If your attention wanders, just come back to the breath. Just like the waves coming in and out of the beach, we just observe each in-breath and each out-breath as it naturally flows. As you're paying attention to your breath, you may have curiosity because you're noticing new things about your breath, about your body that you weren't paying attention to before. Relish that curiosity, but let go of distracting thoughts. Don't think too much about any particular judgment about your body or your breath or your experience. Just breathe in a relaxed way. And take this relaxation into the rest of your day.